This adorable blob with gills? Yeah. It's a real animal, not a plushie, not a Pokemon. It's an axolotl. Axolotls are salamanders that refuse to grow up, literally, while their cousins grow legs, lose their gills, and head to land like grown-ups. Axolotls just said, "Nah, I'm good." This is called neoteny, when an animal stays in its juvenile form, even when it's fully mature. So yeah, they're forever baby-faced water goths. But here's the real plot twist. Axolotls can regrow almost anything. Arms, legs, tail, lungs, spinal cord, part of their brain, even their frickin' heart. All grows back. And it's scar-free. Scientists are obsessed. Axolotls can regrow organs, nerves, and even accept body part transplants. Basically the Mr. Potato Head of biology. But here's the sad part. In the wild, axolotls are critically endangered. They used to thrive in Mexico City's ancient lakes. But now, pollution, invasive fish, and urban development are pushing them to the edge. Now they mostly live in labs or as exotic pets, but conservationists are trying to bring them back if we don't mess it up again. So yeah, they're weird, they're squishy. They're literal science icons. Respect the axolotl, or it'll grow a new version of itself and replace you.